Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you a new lesson. English lesson number 7, Khasba Jadoo. So students, you have seen many sports. In the school there are many sports. And student, which game do you like to play? Most of them they are playing cricket, basketball, handball, running, jumping, etc. So in this lesson I am going to tell you about the Khasba Jadoo, who is the Khasba Jadoo and what is famous for. So now let us start. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics, even like high jumps, long jump, running, gymnastics, even swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given the silver, gold and bronze medal. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far, and the first person to win a medal for the independent India was a wrestler from the Maharashtra. His name was Khasba Jadoo. Khasba Jadoo was born in a very poor family in a village called Koleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved the sport, especially wrestling, and his father Dada Saheb was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons and the youngest of them was Khasba. Dada Saheb himself taught him some wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khasba. From an early age, Khasba loved to watch wrestling bouts, and his father took him to see the bout from the time and he was just 4 years old. At 10, he was the youngest to get in the Agada. Soon it became clear that he was the best not only in his own Agada but in the whole area. Khasba loved other sports also. He was fond of kabaddi, malkagam, running, swimming and gymnastics. He went to the Rajaram College in Kolhapur, where the wrestling was pondered. So he encouraged and Khasba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them whole. In that area, he was the champion and therefore he was sent to the wrestler at the state level and national level. Khasba Jadoo became the famous at the national level in 1948. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948, and that is why he decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. When Khasba Jadoo took part in Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian international rules were different. Also, he was to wrestling in the hurdle beat. At that Olympic game, Khasba Jadoo won the 6th place of the 42. The Olympic Games are held 4 years. In 1932, Khasba wishes to take part in the Olympics again, but it was not easy task. Khasba did not have that much money and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave him his own house to get his money, and other people in Khasba village also helped him. In 1952, Olympics were held at Helsinki, and the Khasba Jadoo had to face the opponent from Russia and Gulf countries. He won the first 5 bouts quite easily. He won each bout within the 5 minutes. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. There were both well matches and the bout lasted for 15 minutes and Khasba lost the match by just 1 point. He was exhausted after the bout, but he was to wrestle with a Swede wrestler immediately. Khasba lost his bout with a Swede wrestler and still he won a bronze medal by finishing 3rd. When Khasba returned from the Helsinki, many people honored him and the people in the village gave him grand welcome and waited from his home village for the college year. Khasba Jadoo did not forget those who had helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first bout of his race money. And not for himself, but the principal who had given his house for sending Kasaba to Helsinki, the principal got his house back again. Kasaba was a great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facility. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Should not we all try our best to win the greater honors for our motherland? So, all you have learned about the interesting about the Kasaba Jadhav, who have taken the encourage and to get the Olympics games, and how he became the famous and how he won his Olympic games. So students, read this lesson carefully and I hope you have understood this lesson. So read this lesson 2 or 3 times carefully. Thank you.